up, y'all? It's KahlasiaMonae. I create faith-filled videos for women in transition who feel stuck where they are and want to break free so that you can move into all that God is creating you to be. If you feel like this is the space for you, stay right here, stay right here, stay right here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to push that post notification bell so you can know each and every time that I post a video. Let's just jump straight into this video. You've been worrying. You've been worrying. You've been worrying. You've been worrying. We had this talk before, girl. You've been good for one day. You've been good for one day. You've been feeling good for one day. You said, okay, I can do this, God. I can do this. And then the next day came and you just fell right back into the same place. It's okay. It's okay. I've been there before. I've been there before. It's okay. But now that we're having this conversation, get right back up again. Do not give up now. You cannot give up now. You are this close. You are so close. You are so close. You are so close. You are so close. And if you give up now, you will not see the full manifestation of all the labor that you've been doing, all of the hard work that you've been putting in. Do not allow your works to go to waste. Do not allow your good works to go to waste. You've been working. You've been grinding. You've been saying, God, I'm doing all that I can do. You've been saying, God, I'm doing all that I can do, but I'm just tired. God, I'm tired. God, I'm tired. God, I'm confused. God, I'm hurt. God, I can't do this. And God is saying, don't give up. You are closer than you think you are. You are so close. Oh my gosh, you are so close. Don't give up now. I know it's easier said than done, but you got to push past that pain. You got to push past that hurt. You got to push past that tiredness. Okay, it's okay to be tired. It's okay to feel like, oh my gosh, God, you know what, I'm tired. I'm gonna stop right here. This is just it. It's enough. I had it. It's a wrap, right? No, push past that feeling and get to it. Push past that feeling. I promise you, your future will thank you later. Your future will thank you later. You can't give up right now. I'm not gonna let you give up right now. You cannot give up now. You gotta keep pushing. You gotta keep pressing. You gotta see it out. You gotta see it out. You gotta see it through. You gotta see it through. You gotta be all in. You gotta be all in. Once you are all in good season and bad season, when you're down, when you're high, when you're low, when you're not feeling good, when you're not feeling well, you have to see it through because you're all in. You told God, I'm all in, right? So yeah, you had a bad day. Yeah, you had a day where you felt like you was going back to the place where you used to be, in your mindset where you used to be, and you try to convince yourself this is not going to work and it's not going to happen, and they just don't understand me. They don't understand it. I try to explain it to people and they just don't get it. They just don't know. They just don't get it. They just don't know. Okay, so you had your moment. You had your time. All right, but now get back up and keep pushing. Get back up and get to work. You're not giving up. I'm not going to let you give up. I am not going to let you give up. You have a sister here in me. I know you got a bunch of sisters all around you. You got a bunch of people that's rooting for you. There are people that want to see you win. There are people that want to see you excel. There are people that want you to be all that God has created you to be. You have to trust and know that. Even on your bad days. Even on your bad days come. Bad days come and we have to be okay. We embrace the bad days. We say, okay, God, this is not what I expected. This is not what I wanted, but I embrace it because I trust you. I embrace it because I know you are the author and the finisher. I embrace it. No, it don't feel good. No, it don't feel good. Yes, I had my moment. Let me have my moment. As my pastor would say, let me have my moment. Now that you had your moment, you get back up and you get to it. You get back up and you get to it. Don't give up. Do not give up. Do not give up. Do not give up. Do not give up. As I'm telling you this, you get up from that place. You get up from that low place. You get up from that dry place. Oh my gosh. You get up from that place of familiar. You get up from that place that tries to keep you stuck. You get up from that place that tries to keep you bound. You get up from that place, that comfortable place, that place that you say, okay, I'm safe right here. I can stay right here because I'm safe right here. You get up from that place. You get up from that place. Oh my gosh. You get up from that place because you trust God. You get up from that place because he said have faith the size of a mustard seed. So no, I don't see it right now. No, it don't look like what it's supposed to be right now, but I'm going to keep on working. It doesn't seem like what it's supposed to be right now, but I'm going to keep on pushing. You got to constantly remind yourself this thing here, this walk with Christ, y'all, is daily. Oh my gosh. Daily you shall see Christ. Daily you shall seek Christ. Daily you shall pray. Daily you shall feed your spirit. Oh my gosh. Daily you may have to rebuke the enemy. Daily. Oh my gosh. It's a daily thing. So okay, I had my moment. You had your moment. We had our moment. Now that we had our moment, let's keep pushing. Now that we had our moment, let's keep grinding. Now that we have our moment, let's keep feeding ourselves with positive things. Let's keep feeding our spirit with positive things. Surround yourself by some positive people. Surround yourself with some people that's doing something. Surround yourself with some movers and some shakers. Surround yourself with some people, not just the people that's just sitting around you watching to see what you're going to do, but surround yourself with some people that's doing something as well. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Surround yourself. Get in the company of people that's doing something. Get in the company of people that want to win. Get around some people that's trying to do something. Get around some people that want somewhere to go and they got somewhere to go, so they're going to do the necessary work to get there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You said, God, I got to see this through. God, I got to see this through. God, I have to see this through. Pray. Continue praying. Continue fasting. Continue seeking. Continue doing all of the things that feed your spirit. Continue to stand up for yourself. Continue to show up for yourself. Continue. Oh my gosh. Write that down in the comment section below. I'm going to continue. I am going to continue. On my bad day, I'm going to continue. On my worst day, I'm going to continue. When I fail, I'm going to continue. When I fall, I'm going to continue. Oh my gosh. Continue, continue, continue. You will not give up right now. You cannot give up right now. Oh my gosh. You've seen it. You've seen a little glimpse. God allowed you to get a little glimpse of your future. Oh my gosh. God allowed you to get a little glimpse of your future. He allowed you to see yourself. Oh my gosh. He allowed you to see yourself. He didn't show you everything, but he gave you a little glimpse. And that's enough for you to keep pushing. That's enough for you to keep working. That's enough for you to continue doing the work. Oh my gosh. So get up from that place. Get up from that place. Dust yourself off. Dust yourself off. Do what you got to do. Go in the bathroom. Clean yourself up. Do what you got to do so that you can continue to work. Do what you got to do so you continue the work. Do what you got to do so you will not give up. Oh my gosh. It's so easy to give up. It's so easy to throw in the towel. It's so easy to say, you know what, God, this is it. This is it. This is it right here. This is it. I don't want no parts of it. Right? It's easy to do that. It's easy to say that. But you get up from that place because your future is counting on you. Oh my gosh. Your children is depending on you. Your children is depending on you. And oh my gosh. For some of us, we say, you know what? This person need me, that person, I can't do this because everybody needs me and I'm just going to just stay right here because I don't want to be bothered, right? Sometimes we just feel like we don't want to be bothered. We just want to be to ourselves. We go in this little bubble. We go in a little shell where we hide, or we think we hiding, right? We go into a place where we feel like, I just want to be by myself. I don't want to do nothing today. I'm not going to do nothing. I'm not going to pick nothing up. I'm not going to write nothing today. I'm not going to read nothing today. I'm just not going to do nothing, right? And the enemy will convince you that doing that is good. Oh my gosh. The enemy will convince you that doing that is safe. The enemy will convince you that you just giving up, you not doing nothing, that's better for you. That's better for you because there you don't got no worry, you don't got no concern, you don't got no challenge, you don't got no bad day, you don't got nobody calling your phone, you don't got mistakes happening, right? The enemy try to convince you that you staying in that stuck place is good for you. You staying in that stuck place is good for, oh my gosh, the devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. When you get to that place, you rebuke that enemy. You rebuke that enemy and say, I'm going to get up from this place. I'm not going to stay here. I might have been here for a little while, but I'm not going to stay here because I know there's better for me on the other side. I know there is greater for me on the other side. I know, oh my gosh, that what I'm doing, what I'm working on, God had told me to do this. God was all in this. God gave me the vision. God gave me the desire. God gave me the plan. So I'm going to work it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to work it. I'm going to see this thing through. I wanted to come on here quickly and to just encourage you. Do not give up. Do not give up. Do not give up. Do not give up. I love y'all. Be sure to share this video. Keep subscribing, y'all. Send it to your homegirls, your mommy, your auntie, your sisters, your cousin. Send it to everybody. Everybody. We going up together, y'all. Don't give up. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video.